Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. That's right, I'm back again. This video is being posted on Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. I'm coming to you from the Electrical Construction and Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall here on campus. This week, our students are on spring break. I hope they all have a chance to relax and recharge so they can hit the ground running next week and finish the semester strong. A big thank you to Mr. Matt Serba and Mr. Bob Syak, who did an awesome job filling in for me over the past 2 weeks. Last Tuesday was Fat Tuesday, and our students celebrated with a Mardi Gras party inside the Moffitt Student Center, another outstanding event planned by our student success coordinators, Jordan and Natalia. I'm already looking forward to our St. Patrick's Day student celebration. Students, you only have one more chance to get help creating or updating your resumes before the on-campus career fair on March 23rd. Stop by the Academic Resource Center soon to reserve a spot in the final resume workshop session on Thursday, March 17th from 9 to 11 a.m. The industry partners attending the career fair will be asking to see your resume, so now's the time to make it the best. Remember, our next on-campus open house is Saturday, March 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you or someone you know is interested in attending our open house, please visit johnson.edu/open house to learn more and to register. I'm so looking forward to seeing so many new faces on campus. I'm in the Electrical Construction Technology Lab today because this is one of the on-campus labs where our industrial technology students will receive their training. The one-year Industrial Technology Academic Certificate Program prepares students to become machinery mechanics and industrial technicians by having them take hands-on courses such as the fundamentals of electricity, programmable logic controls, blueprint and schematic reading, sensors and systems and automation, industry safety, and forklift operation. Industrial technicians are now in high demand. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, industrial technology graduates will ultimately enter the workforce with a 19% growth potential through 2030. They can make a median annual income of $55,000 and up to $82,000 after just a few years of experience. If you or someone you know likes working with their hands doing diagnostics, equipment repair, or machine testing and operations, check out our industrial technology program by visiting our website, johnson.edu, or by contacting our enrollment team at enroll@johnson.edu. And now for my final note of the week. The weather sure was nice this weekend. We dodged the rain on Sunday, and with the warm temps, it gave me the opportunity to get out hiking at one of my favorite spots, the Delaware State Forest, which is connected to Promised Land State Park. It felt so good to be out in the sunshine and fresh air. It made me realize how ready I am for spring and some new hiking adventures. As we gear up for the warmer months, remember to get out there and enjoy all that northeastern Pennsylvania has to offer. We are lucky to live in such a beautiful place. There really is so much right in our own backyard to enjoy. Get out there and create your own adventures. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the Electrical Construction Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.